This is a weathered teak platform, and this is a bright, beautiful teak platform. I got these amazing results using the Brite Teak kit. You should try it too. Step 1. Purchase the Brite kit from Amazon. The kit comes with a cleaner, brightener, and teak oil. I've needed to do this for a while. I've been planning it for years. Step 2. Use the cleaner. Just use a brush or a sponge to get the cleaner into the wood. I guess I owe Camille a new scrubber. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then scrub lightly and rinse off. I have seen others suggest using sandpaper on your platforms. If you make the platform too smooth, it'll be more slippery than a baby oil slip and slide. Step 3. Use Brite Premium Teak Brightener. Apply with a sponge, cloth, or a brush. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse it off. After it's rinsed off, let the teak wood dry. It might take a while. Pull up a chair. Oh look, a new subscriber. Speaking of subscribing, if you're getting value from this video, you should subscribe. Thanks. Step 4. Apply Brite Teak Oil. Make sure you rub it in the direction of the wood grain. Use a cloth, sponge, or brush. Let it sit and allow the oil to soak in. Then wipe away the excess oil. Apply additional oil if needed. This platform was really weathered. I kept getting these white streaks. Additional oil in those specific spots help the wood soak up the oil. The finished product is pretty amazing. Step 5. Apply more teak oil as needed throughout the season. Now let me show you how to use your Sunpad to teach people how to wake surf. Click on this video to see how. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.